In this video, we're going to be talking about how to download and install the Dermstore application on your mobile device. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your app store. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for the Dermstore application on your search bar right over here. Now, all you need to do is just click on the get icon. You might need to verify yourself on the iOS. On Android, on Play Store, you don't need to really do that. It'll start downloading and installing when you click the install button. Now, as you can see, it has started downloading and installing. As soon as it is downloaded and installed, all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on the open button. And now I can simply go ahead and start shopping. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.